What if the secret to reversing stiff, clogged arteries wasn't found in a prescription bottle, but in your breakfast bowl? For decades, we've been fighting heart disease with complicated diets and fear, but what if the most powerful medicine was also the simplest? Your morning oatmeal is good for your heart, but with just a few strategic additions, you can transform it from good into a cardiovascular superfood. In this video, we're transforming the humble bowl of oatmeal into the most potent, heart-healthy meal on the planet. We'll reveal the 8 scientifically proven ingredients that work together to cleanse your arteries, boost blood flow, and dramatically lower your risk of heart disease. This isn't just breakfast, it's your daily dose of cardiovascular defense. Ingredient number 1: chia seeds. Like flax, chia seeds are a soluble fiber powerhouse. When mixed with liquid, they form a thick gel that acts like a sponge in the digestive system, soaking up bile acids. Since bile acids are made from cholesterol, your liver must pull cholesterol from the bloodstream to make more, thereby lowering circulating LDL levels. This gel also slows the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, providing sustained energy and preventing the blood sugar spikes that damage arterial walls. Chia seeds are also a good source of ALA omega-3s and minerals like magnesium, which is essential for blood pressure regulation. Stir 1 tablespoon into your oatmeal after cooking and let it sit for a few minutes to thicken, creating a heart-protective pudding-like texture. Ingredient number 2: pomegranate seeds. This is a secret weapon for arterial health. Pomegranate areoles are rich in punicalagins, unique antioxidants that are exceptionally potent at protecting the inner lining of arteries from damage and inflammation. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and even slow the progression of carotid artery thickness. The nitrates in pomegranate also contribute to the production of nitric oxide, working alongside walnuts to keep blood vessels relaxed and pliable. The sweet tart crunch of a tablespoon of these ruby-red seeds not only enhances the flavor and texture of your oatmeal, but also provides a direct, targeted defense against the oxidative stress that ages your cardiovascular system prematurely. Ingredient number 3: flax seeds. For the most potent heart benefits, always choose ground flax seeds. In this form, your body can fully access their 3 key components: soluble fiber for cholesterol management, lignans for antioxidant and blood pressure support, and a rich supply of ALA omega-3 fatty acids to fight inflammation. The soluble fiber forms a gel that traps cholesterol in the digestive system, while the lignans, phytoestrogens with powerful antioxidant properties, have been linked to reductions in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The ALA omega-3s convert in the body to compounds that reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a root cause of atherosclerosis. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed into your oatmeal creates a nutty flavor and a formidable defense against multiple pathways of heart disease. Ingredient number 4: berries. These aren't just for sweetness, they are vascular protectors. Berries are loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their vibrant color. These compounds have a direct, positive effect on the endothelial lining of your arteries, improving their ability to dilate and regulate blood pressure. The soluble fiber in berries, particularly pectin, works in concert with the fiber in oatmeal to form a gel that traps cholesterol. Furthermore, a Harvard study following over 90,000 women found that those who consumed the most blueberries and strawberries had a significantly lower risk of heart attack. The anthocyanins help neutralize free radicals and reduce chronic inflammation, 2 key drivers of arterial plaque formation. A half cup of fresh or frozen berries stirred into your cooled oatmeal delivers a powerful antioxidant punch. Ingredient number 5: cocoa nibs or unsweetened cocoa powder. Forgo sugary chocolate and go straight to the source. Pure cocoa is one of the richest dietary sources of flavonols, which are proven to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, dramatically improving endothelial function and blood flow. A landmark study showed that cocoa flavonols can make arteries as flexible as those of someone 10 to 20 years younger. The magnesium and fiber in cocoa further support heart health. Cocoa nibs provide a satisfying, crunchy texture, while unsweetened powder blends seamlessly into the oats. Just 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder or 2 tablespoons of nibs can transform your breakfast into a powerful, heart-healthy medicine that tastes like a treat. Ingredient number 6. Cinnamon. This common spice is a potent medicine for your metabolism and arteries. Cinnamon is packed with polyphenols that act as powerful antioxidants, reducing the inflammation that damages arterial walls over time. Its most significant benefit for heart health is its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage blood sugar levels more effectively and preventing the sugar-related damage that stiffens blood vessels. Research has also shown that cinnamon can have a modest but positive impact on key blood markers, including reducing total cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, while maintaining levels of HDL. Just half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon daily, stirred into your oatmeal, can impart a warm, sweet flavor, while actively supporting your circulatory system from multiple angles. Ingredient number 7. Walnuts. Think of walnuts as a crunchy tune-up for your arteries. They are a standout nut for heart health, providing a significant dose of ALA omega-3 fatty acids, the same type found in flax seeds. These fats help reduce arterial inflammation and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels. Walnuts are also uniquely rich in an amino acid called L-arginine, which your body uses to produce nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, thereby improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. A small handful of walnuts, roughly 1 ounce, chopped and sprinkled on top of your oatmeal, delivers these benefits along with a satisfying crunch that makes your breakfast a true heart-healthy feast. Ingredient number 8. Ginger. Fresh ginger does more than just add a zesty kick. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and circulatory stimulant. Its active compound, gingerol, helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a critical step, before it can embed itself into artery walls. By reducing this oxidation, ginger directly reduces the raw material for plaque. Ginger also acts as a natural blood thinner and vasodilator, improving circulation and preventing the sluggish blood flow that can lead to clots. Grate a half teaspoon of fresh ginger root into your oatmeal while it's cooking. Which of these ingredients are you most excited to try? Do you have a favorite heart-healthy addition we didn't mention? Share your recipes and experiences in the comments below to help our community grow stronger together. If you found this guide empowering, please give this video a like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more simple, evidence-based strategies to take control of your health.